I'm at the Atrium Bar and Lounge in Fort Collins.
Okay. Do you know the address or what street it's off of?
No, ma'am. Sadly, I do not.
Okay.
Address, street.
Are you on Laurel Street? Like Laurel and College?
I'm on, let's see, Dalzell Alley.
Okay, yeah. I see that here. What's the phone number you're calling from? That's right here. Tell me exactly what happened.
So I have a man, I would say 30s, about 5 foot tall, maybe 6 inches, black hair, long hair, threatening anybody that is Mexican. He has a hatchet and pepper spray or something. He just assaulted one of our friends outside this bar.
Okay. Is your friend injured at all?
Nope, they are totally fine. They have re-entered the building.
Okay. How did they attack them? What did he do?
He came up to them yelling, "Is anyone Mexican here?" and then sprayed them.
Okay. With the pepper spray?
Yes.
Okay.
And they have a hatchet as well.
Okay. Give me the description of that male one more time. Is he white, black, or Hispanic?
Hispanic. Hispanic is my guess.
Okay.
5'6", long, dark hair, no facial hair from what I could tell.
Okay.
Medium height.
Okay. And what's he wearing?
Yep. Black shirt, short sleeves, long pants.
Okay. And where is he now? Can you see him?
He is on the other side. I'm not familiar with my cardinal directions here, but he's by the parking lot, I would call it.
Is like in the alley?
Yes, I do see our sirens approaching. He's by some motorcycles.
Okay, is that him yelling in the background?
Yes, he's claiming to be a police officer.
Okay. Where's the hatchet that he has?
Hatchet, I believe it in his left hand.
Okay.
4:30. I'm on scene. Can you hear that description one more time? Drop the axe. Drop the axe. Do it now.
I'm gonna
4:30.
say,
I have one at gunpoint. He's not dropping the axe.
I'm gonna say.
Drop the axe.
I'm gonna say.
Drop the axe. Do it now.
I don't have to.
Drop the axe. Do it now. You're under arrest.
No, I don't.
Get on the ground.
I don't.
Get on the ground. Do it now.
I don't have to.
Get on the ground. Do it now. You're gonna get tased. Get on the ground. Drop. Get on the ground. Taser applied. He's oasting. Shots fired. Shots fired. Get on the ground. Do it now. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Do it now. We're in the alley just south of the alley cat. He tried to mace me. Get on the ground. Let me see your hands. You're under arrest.
Put your hands up, man. Lay down on the ground. Put your arms out the Y. Turn
On your stomach. On your stomach.
Cross your feet. Put your arms out like a Y, man. Alright. Stay like...
Do not move.
Down.
Arms out like a Y.
Stay down on the ground. Put your arms like a Y, man. You gotta listen or we can't help you. Stay down like that, okay? Don't move.
Stop. Do not move. Stop. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Lay down.
Stay down on the ground, man. We can't help you if you don't stay on the ground.
Lay down. On
Lay
your
down.
stomach.
You gotta lay down, man. We can't help you until you lay down, okay? Stay like that. Don't move. Stay on. Ready? Go. Stay down. Got yourself on? Stay like that, man. All right, we got you. I know you're hurt, man. Stay like that. Don't move. Grab yourself on. Good. Bring your arm back. Look him over. All right, man. Tyler goes over there.
Medical.
Okay. Give me a quick foot.
Can we get medical for this witness?